How to search Slack messages faster. So in here, if you simply tap on the search icon on your Slack right here, you'll be able to search anything, right? So in here, what I'm going to recommend you guys do is, for example, you want to search a message from a certain person that you had, then what you can do is simply write @ and that person's name just like this, and then all of the conversations with that person will be showed up, and like that you'll be able to find that message, right? So if you are searching for a certain message that you've done in certain channel, then what you can do is simply write that channel's name, like hashtag, let's just say general, just like this. Then all of the conversations of general will be shown up, right? So lastly, if you want to search for a room, then what you can do is, for example, let's just say has column star, just like this. You can search for that room and all of the conversations of that room will be shown up. And lastly, you can also combine terms using codes for exact phrases. So if you're looking for a conversation where you had submitted or sent the final report, then what you can search for is a final report update, right? So that the exact conversation or the exact final report that you sent in a channel or whatever will all be shown in here. And just like this, you'll be able to search Slack messages faster. And that is it. If you guys do have any queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.